How to draw Lewis structure for NO2 plus or nitronium ion. At first you have to find out the valence electron for NO2 plus. NO2 plus has 16 valence electron totally. So nitrogen has 5, oxygen brings 6, but here we have to multiply by 2, and for positive charge we have to subtract 1. So we are getting 16. This 16 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 3 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy this atom. So look, here nitrogen is the central atom because it is the least electronegative atom, or it has the highest capacity of making bond. So let us connect. To connect we will use 2 dots or 1 single bond. For after connecting we have for connecting we have used 4, so now we have 12 valence electron left. Now we have to satisfy the octet for outer atom first. Here oxygen is the outer atom and nitrogen is the center atom. So this oxygen has 2, so it will take maximum 6 to satisfy its octet, and this oxygen also has 2, so it will take more 6 to satisfy its octet. So 6 plus 6, 12, that gives us 0, right? So now look, this nitrogen has only 4, but this oxygen has 8 and this oxygen has 8. Now our responsibility is to satisfy the octet for this central atom, and that is why we have to move lone pair as bond pair. And since there is no difference between these two oxygens, so we have to move lone pair symmetrically, right? So now nitrogen, look, now this nitrogen now this nitrogen has 8 valence electron, this oxygen has 8, and this oxygen also has 8. So, and this is the stable Lewis structure, since you have moved lone pair from both oxygen. At last you have to place these charges. Okay, you can express this bond pair as dash. Look, you can express this bond pair as dash. Here 2 dash, 2 bond pair, 2 dash. Now this. So the Lewis structure of nitronium ion is this or this.